Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Insight Hub. In this video, we are discussing about the science and technology assignments, which is from NIOS. And before starting this question, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers of the in PDF and handwritten form. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is provided on your screen, which is 900 936 8238. You can contact us anytime. So the question number fourth B, which is in your screen, which is a French chemist Antoine Lavoisier carefully studied chemical reactions by using a chemical balance in his setup. In an experiment, he took a substance which is the only metal which exists in liquid state at room temperature and generally used in analog thermometer. Then he heated this substance in a seated flask and containing air for several days. He observed a new red-colored substance formed, but the gas remaining in the task was reduced in mass. A. Write the name of any two of the following: the substance which was heated in a sealed flask, new red-colored substance which was formed after several days, the gas used up in the production of red-colored substance in the flask, and the remaining gas in the flask. Is the change that took place in the steel flask a chemical change or physical change? Why the mass of the remaining gas in the flask reduced? Does reduction in the mass of the gas remaining in the flask violate the law of conservation of mass? Explain briefly. So here is a question which is for B. So if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. We have prepared all the answers in a PDF or in a handwritten form, so you can contact us for buying it. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.